Hey, hi, hello, what is up everyone? My name is Linnea and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we can, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, thank you for being here. I do like to do a thing pretty much every recipe that I try, usually. I'm trying it for the first time and I'm filming myself doing it. So sometimes there's failures and you all get to watch it. And today is one of those videos where we might succeed and we might fail. And let's hope we succeed because I'm using it for dinner tonight. We are doing sourdough hoagie rolls or like sub sandwich rolls, depending on where you're from, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, let's just get into it. Let's just get into it. Let's go make these hoagie rolls and see if they turn out for dinner tonight. I'm going to put this back in the bowl, and it says that you want it to rise by 50%. You don't want it to double, but you want it to rise by 50%. So I'm gonna put it back in the bowl, cover it up, and we'll come back in a couple hours and check on it. All right, we are back, and I think that this has doubled by 50%. I'm just gonna say it has, and we're going with it. And I'm gonna take it. I'm actually gonna weigh it. That's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna weigh this, and then I'm gonna divide that number by 4, and we're gonna make 4 even rolls. So that is the first step. You guys want to see what I'm doing? Hold on. There you go. It is exactly 900 grams. So, hey Google, what is 900 divided by 4?
900 divided by 4 is 225.
All right, let's make these into 4 225 gram ball roll things. Let's see how good I am at estimating. I am not gonna say that I'm gonna be good at this, but it says rectangle, rough rectangle shape. Roll it like a cinnamon roll and pinch the ends. All right, that is good enough. I'm gonna put it on the tray behind me. I don't think you all can see it, but I have a tray. All right, I'm gonna save you all from watching me do this. Just trust, it makes 4 rolls. I'm gonna form them and then I'm gonna cover them on the tray for the next 5 hours. I have my oven heating on the warm / proof setting. And I'm gonna put these in there for a bit because my kitchen's a bit cold right now. So I'll put these on the warm setting, proof setting in the oven for a bit and kind of see how that turns out. Yeah, I'm gonna save you all from watching me do this. All right, I can only apologize for the lighting. They look like. The light is terrible. Maybe that's a little bit better. I don't know. But I have an egg wash here. I'm gonna brush all these with my egg wash. I do have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. It said 200 Celsius. 400 is close. All right, for 2 of these, I'm gonna do like Italian herbs and cheese, and then the other 2, I'm just gonna do plain. So, I'm gonna do, here, I'll just show you. I have this, I'm not sure, yeah, Got some random cheese. Now the recipe does assure me that this will puff up as it cooks. They will not be flat, so let's hope. I'm gonna make some slashes. Says to do this after you put the toppings on, so all right, now I'm gonna bake these at 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll see what they look like when I take them out. So, the lighting is so bad. Maybe if I will say, one thing I've noticed so far, they did not rise up as much as I thought they would. I mean, they did rise. It's not an issue. And I did just spread them with a little bit of butter to keep them soft. It does smell like Subway in here. And we are doing subs tonight. So I will let you all know how good or bad these are when we eat our subs tonight. I probably won't show like putting the sandwiches together. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but I will for sure film Jonathan trying these. We'll see how it goes. I want you to just don't eat the paper.
It does look really good.
It does. It looks professional. Just don't eat the paper.
I won't try to.
There's paper in it. There's paper!
Where?
I know the bottom's a little crispy, but there's nothing I can do about that.
It tastes right on though.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. There is something to layering on sandwiches and like a certain ratio. Like,
did I do okay?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't say, but I watched a Jersey Mike's video on how they layer their sandwiches, and I just copied it. So that's what I did. Is the bread good? Because this video is all about the bread, not the sandwich. Does it taste like Subway?
It tastes way better. It actually tastes real.
Yeah, because there's very minimal ingredients. Would you ask for it again? It was really easy. Got home canned pickles, not homegrown tomatoes because it's not that time yet, but just wait till the summer. 10 out of 10? 12 out of 10? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, well, we're gonna chill with the eating.
I know.
Everyone's gonna be like, you're bossy!
No, but I'll end up eating everything.
Yeah, because you also he has potato salad and chips.
The bread is spectacular. Everything is great. Like, yeah, I mean, that tastes like what sandwich, like if you went to like a
deli, like a sub shop or whatever, like in the city.
A real one that made their own bread. Like, it's way better than anything you could buy.
I will say our house smells like Subway, but
yeah, it's perfect. I have there's no complaint.
I'm winning.
You don't really win though.
Yeah, sometimes I don't. Sometimes there are trash can moments, which we do not speak about.
I'm picky.
Anyway, there's a couple people that know about the trash can moment. Oh, what are you drinking there? My Drinko?
Mm-hmm.
If anyone wants to know, the Topo Chico with twist of lime, fantastic, 10 out of 10. Okay, that's that. Jonathan's saying bye so he can get to his sandwich. And Calvin has but demolished his toy outside.
He defluffed his toy.
He defluffed it. Anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!